Hello guys, I have calmed down. I am no longer crying even though my eyes are now swollen. I have calmed down.
I, I didn't cry. I just applied my contact lens. Anyways, this is my short hair. This is me with my golden earrings. And this is me with my hair half up. It looks so gay, right? Like I don't know if you agree, but this is so gay. It's shouting like, I want to kiss a girl! It's sounding like
May dalawa
that.
akong subject na hindi quadro, pero it's okay. I am an optimist. Charot talaga. I'm really happy that I passed because I thought that this term I would kill myself. Like I said that a lot of times this term. And I'm still alive. And I didn't lose my scholarship. I'm still in LaSalle. I didn't get dropped out.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. And I know
Di ba? Ang inabe. Ang inabe. Ang inabe.
Oh,
Ang inabe.
I can't
I promised myself that I will spend the last term of grade 11 doing everything fun because I spent the last two avoiding everyone.
Alam mo, talino ako, pero ayoko nang inaaya ko sa research ng mga... Visit kayo!
Walang gun sa morning kasi gusto ko nakahatog sa mayonnaise. Ito na siya ngayon. Ang crunchy-crunchy niya.
Sino daw pinakamatangkad sa kanila? Nakakahiga kayo. Yay! Yay! Umaya, nandito pala siya. Gaga ako. Ganyan ka, Hana. Masay plus na. Go na, okay na. Wait. Ayaw. Go, Hana. Yan. academic validation.
Totoo ba? Nag-confess ka? Bakit?
Plano.
Tangin naman eh. Yes or no?
Wala na, ayaw na ikaw. Ayoko na.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Mali ko yun. Hindi ko na alam eh. Ikita ko lang ako eh. Wala nakakaalam, kami lang. Tanungin mo na siya. Ay, go!
Yes, alam mo this topic ha, pero you have to define it further. I suggest the title. Understanding the exclusion.
So, dumandi kayo guys. Kayahin yung mga magkakamali ko ng college na. Yeah. Pero yan, basta be responsible.
Back and Unilag presents Alice Summit 2025. Alagang Tunay, Alagang Pilipino, Alagang Unilag yan. With our media partners, Archers Network, Monster Arts, 3.1.
Tumakbo pa ako. Hindi mo naman ako lumbas. Putang ina naman eh. Hi, Ana! Ang bagal mo bumalik, so puno na yung storage mo by now. Look at this! Mukha bang lingerie yun ako. Oh my God! Minute uminom? Uminom ka dito!
Wala video pa.